You got eggs! Charlie started finding the eggs without us.
Uh-oh!
Uh-oh!
Hey, Mama!
Yeah.
Here, put them in the basket. There's more. I see another one.
So how many did he find so far?
This is number 5, I think.
All right. Keep looking.
I see another one.
Where are they?
I see 2. I see 3.
Boy, that Easter bunny's tricky. What did you find there? You found the Easter basket? Charlie,
That was one of the eggs.
the Easter basket. Wow. Look at that.
Chicken.
Oh, ball. You got a football. Wow. Whoops.
Throw it here. Charlie, throw off that spiral. Throw it here.
You found another egg?
Go put it in your basket. Put it in your basket.
Put it in your basket. Okay, find another one.
I see another one. Good throw. Oh boy.
Yay!
I see another one.
Careful. Did you find it? Oh, yay! Alright, put it in your basket. Put it in your basket, honey. It's okay. Put it in your basket.
Want Daddy to help you fix it?
Yay!
2 more.
There's 2 more. Wait, let's find the other 2 eggs first. Let's find the other 2 eggs first. Do you really want the cars?
Stop!
There's truck. Okay.
Mama, stop!
Let me see.
Go. Go. Wow! Go!
You got a car.
What's this over here? Ooh, at number 38?
You see the egg? Yay! You found the egg! Yay!
Oh, can I see the purple one?
No, mine.
I know it's yours. Share with me.
You got a car? You lined them up so nice.
Baby! Yeah, baby!
Oh, is it the baby to the truck? Oh, it's the baby kissing the mama truck.
Dada, joy, baby!
Oh, is it the dada truck?
Dada, baby! Bye, Daddy! Joy, bye,
Daddy will open it.
We go like this. And we put it here and we count. That's right, 3. Green 3. 0.
Good job, honey.
One. 2. 'Nope, that's not.
Charlie, you want to check out
Whoa! That came from the Faye Bunny.
this basket? The Faye Bunny. Wow. Can you help opening it? It's stuck. Yay! Okay, calm down. Yay! Alright. Oh, wow! Wow.
It's a sand sifter. Oh, what's that?
It's cute.
Oh, there's 2 of them.
Uh-oh. Wow.
Oh boy, Play-Doh. Black Play-Doh.
Ooh.
Never heard of such a thing.
There's a ball. Wow,
What's that? Chocolate. Put out your hand. Oops. What else is in there? Chocolate.
Did you eat the other one yet? I bet you that's some EC. Easter clothes.
Yeah. Stop, you're doing fine. Yeah, you're doing good. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, what is this? Oh, they look like swim trunks. Oh, that's so cute. The little sharks. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Charlie. Charlie, say thank you.
What else you got in the basket?
Huh?
What else you got in your big basket?
No, man.
There's a book.
Oh, you got 2 books.
That's good breakfast, huh?
Bye.
The shovel.
For scooping the moose.
Good.
Let's get some of the big stuff off the top. You got some Peeps. You got Peeps on a stick.
Oh, cool.
Right.
Wow. Can I see?
It's up.
Is it stuck?
It's up.
That's awesome. I like it.
It's up.
Do you want to open?
Nice.
Are you sure?
You got so many Peeps.
Can you open it? Ooh. You ate all those? You're gonna be so wired today.
Here, take a bite of this.
So cool.
Nom nom nom. Eat it.
Yeah. Oops.
Eat it. Take a bite out of it. Ow.
Those are called peeps. No, no.
Charlie, can't see the peeps?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Good job. Bit his head right off there. Huh?
What do you think of that? Putting those Lucky Charms stale marshmallows every morning?
Huh? Let's go finish opening your basket, honey.
Pez.
Pez! All right. Guess he likes Pez.
Does it come preloaded? It does not. Hold on, buddy. Let me show you how this is done. You gotta keep them stacked up all nice and neat.
Oh. Out of practice.
He is.
Mama, Dad.
Oh, Daddy failed.
No. Ball.
Oh, you got a ball. Oh, where'd it go? There it is. Yay, ball.
Thank you, Zach.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. My goodness.
Hey, Charlie.
You got the ball. You kicking it?
Yeah, we'll clean up in a minute, buddy.
Oh, what's Daddy got?
No.
There's a sticker book
Here. Whoop.
with kitties.
Yeah. And you eat. Here.
All right, sand mold.
Moldy sand.
We'll go out to play later if it's warmer. He's got a sandbox out there. Yeah, honey, we'll go out if it's warmer. Let's finish
But you
this.
still have more stuff.
Yeah. I'm glad you want to play with it.
Moose. I'll help the boy.
You got the ball?
No. No. No.
Mama, Mommy.
Good job. Oh, is that for me?
Ah.
It is ball.
Oh, thank you.
Here. Take the Pez. It's good. Daddy likes Pez. Oh. What's this guy?
Bye-bye.
Mwah. Mwah.
Bye-bye.
Oh.
Oh, none. Oh,
You dropped your Pez?
no, Mom, Daddy, Titi, no.